So you might be running into an issue on your iPhone, and it might be this cannot complete action issue that you might be experiencing. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Now, for as far as I know, the main way that people were able to go and fix this problem was by actually going through and updating your iPhone. So the very first thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and make your way over to your settings application of your iPhone, just like this. You then want to basically scroll down until you see this general option right here. So tap right into general. Then what you want to do is you want to go and click on a software update. So that software update panel that is right there, all you're going to want to do here now is you want to go ahead and see if there's a software update available. If there is an update available, all you're going to have to do is update your iPhone. For a lot of people, that's probably all you're going to have to do, and that might end up fixing the problem. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, the next thing you may want to try doing is to go through and restart your device. So what I would recommend doing here is to go through and hold the volume up button and the side button at the exact same time. So hold down these two buttons, and then what you're going to want to do here is you want to slide the power off. So slide the power off, give it a second, power on your iPhone one more time. You want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. Now, another thing I've seen a lot of people end up doing to end up fixing this problem too, probably not as much as the update, is kind of removing any VPN apps that you have on your phone and retrying to do the same thing you were doing again. So what this basically looks like is to go inside of your settings application. You then want to basically go through and try to see if you can find that, your VPN. So click on general, click on VPN device management or wherever those options are right here. And then if you have a VPN, temporarily disable it, try going through the setup again, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. And for a lot of people, that might end up fixing it. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.